Yeah, good day, I go by name Skywet. If you are watching this video or my video for the first time, subscribe to this channel for more videos on how to make money online, and for more videos that will be coming on my review of my student account, on the result they are getting on using my software to generate sales on Clickbank Affiliate Marketing. Yes, as you all know that affiliate marketing is just selling a product for a company and getting commission for each product you sell. And we have different type of affiliate marketing platform which you can make money online. These are some of the platforms which you can make money online on affiliate marketing. By the Referration, Amazon Associates, Clickbank, eBay, FlexOffer, JVZoo, Detail. We have many affiliate marketing platforms that you can make money from online at the comfort of your home. And there are two the major backbone, or the major thing in affiliate marketing that can make you distinguish, or that can distinguish your results from others, is the marketing pattern you use. Yes, the method by which you promote or you make buyers online know about your products, and for them to buy your products and access them. So we have two major ways by which you can promote your affiliate products to buyers online. We have the free traffic system and the paid traffic system. Yes, the paid traffic system is the method by which you create adverts on digital platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You pay for the advert. Yes, you pay for the advert, and you select targeted audience for a particular time, and you pay the platform, maybe Instagram or YouTube, to create adverts for that product, so that it can promote the product or the advert you've created to the targeted audience that you selected for that particular period of time for you to get commission. So that is a paid traffic system. Also, you have the free traffic system, which is where I come in. As an affiliate marketer, I'm also a software developer, and over the year, with my experience in affiliate marketing, I've developed several software which I'll be using to generate sales. But recently, or no, for a while now, I have this software that has been working very excellently. Yes, I've been using it for a while now, and I've been giving it out to my students around the world, and they have been using it to get excellent results also. This is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course, Larry Jones. Yeah, you can see these are excellent results. With my software, you're going to be having access to more than 2,000 organic traffics online daily. Yes, targeted organic traffics online. Yes, targeted, I mean the audience that are most likely to purchase the product you want to sell. Yes, because in my video course I've explained step by step method by which you can get targeted audience for each product. Yes, so my software is very efficient, and with my software you're going to be earning between $400 to $700 daily on Clickbank Affiliate Marketing and other affiliate marketing platform also. Yes, I have showed you some other affiliate marketing platform in the previous slide I just showed you here. We have several affiliate marketing platforms which you can make money online from. Yeah, we have JVZoo, Warrior Plus, FlexOffers, Amazon Associates, different affiliate marketing platforms. So with my software, I'm going to be earning this kind of results daily, on a daily basis. And the beauty of my software is that it is applicable to any affiliate marketing platform, any of the affiliate marketing platform listed here, and more also. Yes, you can use it even on Shopify, any affiliate marketing platform, any platform that involve you promoting and selling and making people know, promoting your products or link to some particular audience for you to get commission or revenue. That is what my software is made for. So to get my software and video course and start on any of our affiliate marketing platform, always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to this number you can see on the screen to get started and start earning even as a beginner at the comfort of your home. Yes, as I said earlier on, my software is applicable to all affiliate marketing platforms, and also I have recorded a complete video guide that will guide you step by step from even opening an account. There are some countries that have restriction in opening an account on Clickbank Affiliate Marketing. If you are getting my software and video course, I'm going to be creating an account for you, not minding your country. or the restriction on your country. Yeah, so remember you can always contact me on my Gmail at skyway271@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram through the number you can see on the screen to get started and start earning at the comfort of your home. Thank you.